joystick in hand, ready to go. Floppy disks and loading tunes, retro nights under neon moons. Every beat a memory, every game a victory. I love my Amiga 500 tonight. Retro magic in the soft light, laughing through the loading screens, living in pixel perfect dreams. Sprites dance across the screen, songs from a digital dream. Keyboard clicks, I hear the past, moments I wish could last. Every beat a memory, every game a victory. I love my Amiga 500 tonight. Retro magic in the soft light, laughing through the loading screens, living in pixel perfect dreams. Even now I hear it call, every boot up I recall.